Hey there Internet, it's Steve with Transfer Express, your favorite place for screen printed and digital transfers. Today we're talking about our fastest growing product so far, UltraColor. UltraColor is a full color transfer that combines the soft feel of screen printed transfers with digital printing. You can either order these guys as individual images, as you can see here, or you can get them on the full 11.5 by 18 inch sheet, filling up as much as you want. Since the number of colors has no effect on the cost, we recommend using this print anytime you're using 3 or more colors in a design. It uses CMYK coloring, which gives us vibrant, full color prints. Now we've got 3 different types of the UltraColor. First in the family that you're most familiar with would be our UltraColor Soft. This we always recommend for going on cotton, poly, or 50-50 blends. Great for t-shirts, sweatshirts, even caps. The next member of the family is our UltraColor Stretch. If you're working with nylon, lycra, real stretch materials, that's where you're going to want to look at this guy as a water-based base rather than a screen-printed base like the UltraColor does. Lastly, but certainly not least, we've got our UltraColor Stretch with blocker. Now, if you're ever going onto a garment that's been sublimated like this guy here, you'll want to use the blocker. That way we can prevent any kind of dye migration. The UltraColor Stretch with blocker is certified for commercial laundering. It's very important for work uniforms. Now let's take a look at how you order. First, we're going to click the Add Your Artwork button right here in the Design Center so we can get some artwork in there. We're going to position and size it real quick. Then we're going to keep adding until that sheet is completely filled. It's a big old 11.5 by 18 inch sheet, so take up as much room as you can. The UltraColor Soft has a 5 sheet minimum, whereas the UltraColor Stretch has a 20 sheet minimum. Now if you're ordering by the image, choose the biggest box for a single image to fit in, and then add that artwork. Then order however many of the images you need. Any of these 3 transfers have a 20-piece minimum for individual images. Sounds like the transfers are here. Why, thank you. Let's get to pressing. Gotta thread our tank top here on our auto clam. Get those seams out of the way as much as we can. Give it a quick 4-second pre-press. And if that guy pop up, we're a bit tight on pressure, so we're gonna let go just a little bit. Pop the graphic right on front here. Remember to use a cover sheet to help prevent static buildup. Let's get that out of there. And then we press it for 15 seconds. Great part about all 3 of these transfers, they're all applied exactly the same way. 290 degrees, about 7 pressure, 15-second press, 4-second pre-press, and of course a cold peel. And now we let it cool. After a good wait, transfer is cool to the touch, so we're gonna go ahead and peel this guy. That is the UltraColor. Be sure to check back next week for a new video. Subscribe if you want to make sure that you're notified when we do make them. Leave a like and a comment, and we'll see you next week. Happy pressing.